Welcome to JH. MarkGrabs.com is the latest site you might have seen online promising a $750 Walmart gift card giveaway. It sounds exciting, right? Because we all know multi-billion-dollar corporations just love handing out nearly $1,000 to random strangers for no reason. But before you start spending that imaginary money, let's pause and see if this is actually legit or just another online trick. I checked the WHOS records and found that the domain was registered just a few days ago, in September 2025. It is so fresh it practically still has that new scam smell. Reliable websites usually have some kind of history, but MarkGrabs.com has absolutely no past data, which is a massive red flag. Next, let's talk about transparency, or the complete lack thereof. I looked for a contact page, a physical address, or any company registration info, and came up totally empty. Nothing. Zip. Nada. It is basically the digital equivalent of a windowless van promising free candy. Without this basic information, there is no way to trust who is actually behind the site. To make matters worse, the site uses Walmart's name everywhere despite having zero connection to the company. Using a massive brand's name to manufacture trust is a classic shady move used by those who prefer your data over honesty. Of course, the website is making huge promises like free $750 gift cards and various retailer rewards. We all love freebies, but this is a textbook bait tactic. Scammers love to lure people in with flashy offers and manufactured urgency, shouting, "Hurry up before it's too late," because they know if you stop to think for 10 seconds, the whole thing falls apart. Another big warning is that the site keeps redirecting users to other suspicious pages like spin and win schemes or online games. These redirects are about as safe as a gas station sushi platter. Most of these games are just traps to steal your personal info, or, even worse, your hard-earned money. So what is the bottom line? MarkGrabs.com has more red flags than a lifeguard station during a hurricane. Between the brand new domain, the lack of transparency, the misuse of Walmart's name, and those risky redirects, everything points to a scam. My advice is to keep your personal info to yourself and don't fall for these unrealistic offers. Stay safe and stay skeptical. If you found this video helpful, give it a like, share it with your more gullible friends, and subscribe for more tips on spotting online scams. Thanks for watching, stay smart, and stay safe.